Today we are getting the rest of the panels installed and we have a detailed installation footage, so click the thumbs up if you are excited and stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andreas from Offgrid Sweden. If you haven't been here before, I want to welcome you for the first time. On this channel I show you things that we do on the homestead, tips and tricks, reviews, stuff related to homesteading and off-grid living, and also videos like this one. If you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like the content, and you will get notified on new content. Now back to the topic of this video. Finally, we are getting the last panels up. It will be a total of 11.7 kilowatt on the roof. The plan was 12 kilowatt, but the job for getting that extra 280 panel up there wasn't worth it. Instead, I cut a deal with the seller and I will be getting a really cool monitoring hardware and software for monitoring not only the solar panels, but also the consumption from the panels, the grid, and what we are selling back to the grid. In the previous video I haven't been able to show you the details of the installation, but on this roof that was possible, so enjoy it. If you got any questions about the installation, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. The small boxes that they zip tie to the rail is the optimizers. They control if the panel is producing, and if it's not, it just skips that panel. That way we don't suffer if a panel gets clouded. Now it was finally time to get the panels up on the roof and connected. They weigh about 20 kilograms, so they are pretty easy to get up there. And there is just 2 cables to connect to the optimizers and 4 screws to tighten. The last thing they had to do was to connect the last array to the cables that they prepared last time they were here. Then they flipped the switch again and we were producing about twice as much as a few minutes ago. That's awesome. On a sunny day with some clouds, we pull in about 60 kilowatt hours. This is how the final installation looked like. If you got any questions about installation or solar in general, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is it for this week. Hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the comments and in the next video.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag. And then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.